Yo, here's why this dude joint got back up so fast. Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, I recently made the decision to offer anybody who joins me in any of the opportunities I'm involved with the chance to come on my channel and pretty much introduce themselves and talk about why they joined the opportunity. Or I would actually do a shout out video pretty much welcoming them to the team. Now, I'm super excited about doing this because this is my way of thanking you for joining me in the opportunity, but it also helps me get your business off to a good start by driving some traffic to your business. So just know, if you join me in any of the opportunities that I'm in, I will be reaching out to you to see if you want to come on the channel or allow me to do a shout out video welcoming you to the team. Now, with all that being said, I want to welcome a new GotBackup team member. He just joined, like, I believe a week or two ago, and this dude is already making money with GotBackup, already growing his team, and I'm super excited to welcome him aboard. His name is Garland Taylor. So when Garland joined GotBackup, I sent him out an email welcoming him to the team, and I let him know, hey, you know, is there any way I can help you? Just let me know. Here's my information. So a couple days ago, he actually gave me a call, left me a message. He just wanted to kind of touch base and, you know, see what I was doing with GotBackup. And we pretty much just talked about, you know, why he joined GotBackup. And we went over a little, some traffic strategies, some things that he's planning on doing to grow his GotBackup business. So when we were talking on the phone, you know, just hearing his passion about the GotBackup opportunity, it made me more excited. You know what I'm saying? And I'm his sponsor. And just to hear him, you know, the way he's talking about the long-term vision of GotBackup, his excitement in promoting this opportunity, like I said, it got me hyped up. And before I could even really ask him, like, yo, you know, why did you join GotBackup? He already told me. He said when he saw the video, right, the GotBackup tour video, he was instantly like, yo, this is different. You know what I'm saying? He said, this is different. And he was all in pretty much from the jump. So he asked me for my advice on a couple of his traffic strategies that he was doing. And I gave him my 2 cents. But Garland is already doing very, very well in GotBackup. And he's only been in it a couple of weeks. So yes, I am very excited. And I feel lucky to have Garland on my GotBackup team because this dude is no joke. So if you are ready to get started with GotBackup and join Garland and me on the team, all you need to do is click that first link in the description and we will see you on the other side.